Hope you guys are ready to learn some French. We got 2 crowns on the basics one, and we're gonna keep on going until we have all 5 crowns and open that precious treasure chest. I don't know what's in there. Maybe a year of Duolingo Pro or something. That'd be kind of cool. Probably just a bunch of gems that I'll never use. C'est. It is. C'est.
C'est un cheval.
C'est un cheval. So it's a horse. I had to think, whoa, my brain said, hey, you sure about that? Don't double guess.
Tu.
Tu. You.
Tu.
A tu. Un homme. Et un chien? I guess so.
Et.
A man and a dog? Un homme et un chien?
Un chien.
Un chien, a dog.
Tu es Paul?
I would say whatever you want, man. Yeah, I'm Paul. Talking to a bear. So, tu es Paul? Type, so are you Paul? Okay, Mr. Bear.
Tu es un cheval?
Tu es un cheval, so are you a horse? Careful you say that too, though.
Un cheval et un chat.
Un cheval et un chien. Say that again.
Un cheval et un
Un
chat.
cheval et un chien. So, a horse. And, oops. Aïe. And a cat. Un cheval et un chien. I like this Duolingo thing, man. So, tu es un cheval, je suis un homme.
Suis.
You are a horse and I am a man. It's a cat. C'est un chien.
Un chat.
C'est un chat.
Un chat et un chien.
Chien. Oh. S-C-H-I-E-N, I think. Un chat et un chien. Does that look right? Or E-I-N. Chien. Ooh. Gotta watch the spelling on everything. It's a horse. C'est un cheval.
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 Une fille et un chien.
Chien. Chien. A girl and a dog. It's a dog. C'est un chien. Apostrophe. Where's the apostrophe? C'est un chien. C'est un chien. Do I have to put a period there? I don't know. Alright. Flowing through these lessons like wind through the trees. Are you a dog? Tu es un chien. I don't know if I... Tu es? Or vous êtes? Let's try. Tu es un chien? I think that's right? What's wrong with it? ES. Tu es un chien with an S. Why is it in ES? Show me that tip. Okay, and the words and a sound the same, but the meaning mean different things. Tu es français et je parle français et anglais. Okay. J'ai une orange. Un croissant. What? Oh, it's a sentence. They want me to fix it. Okay, so tu es français, je parle. J'ai une orange. A with the T. Because I have one end. Yeah. It just feels like it's supposed to be that. Okay. Are you a dog? So, tu es un chien. I learned something today. Alright, cool, man. Lesson done. Mistakes are okay, as long as you learn from them. Do I still get my double? Come on. 30x XP boost. I wonder if you're a pro, you get like triple XP boost or something. Gotta pay for your education. Oh, we almost won the teddy bear challenge or whatever that thing is. Alright, I don't know how long I've been doing this for. I think I'll just call it quits here. My brain needs to simmer down and then I'll be right back.